Hello viewers, welcome to INNOVATE teaching channel. Today's video is about to see B.Ed 3rd semester previous year's question papers. Come on, let's see some of the previous year papers. A small kind suggestion to you is that pause the video wherever you required, read the questions and then proceed. First, let us see 2016 year 3rd semester question papers. Now let us see 2017 year 3rd semester question papers. Next, let us see 2018 year 3rd semester question papers. Let us see 2019 year 3rd semester question papers. A year ago, the COVID-19 pandemic brought learning to a screeching halt worldwide, creating the most severe global educational disruption in history. So, in 2020, B.Ed 3rd semester exams were not conducted. Finally, let us see 2021 question papers of 3rd semester. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, thank you.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our INNOVATE teaching channel.